Okay, guys, in today's video, we will be checking out some assets together and see what we should expect from all these charts. Okay, so this is very, very important because it will help you to know what you should go for whenever you are trading. It will also help you to understand this trading strategy so that you too can learn it and apply it from your end. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we'll be checking a few assets together, analyze them together, and of course, we get to see what we should go for whenever we are trading. Today, we are not going on H1, we are going to be on M15 so that you can get a quick trading opportunity for today. Okay, so this is Ganex 1200, and of course, just like I have said yesterday in my last video, this had been on downtrend and it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from here. So it's tried to go back on uptrend, and as you can see, it bought for a while, but it has gotten to this region. Okay, and this region is very, very important. Okay, so all we need is for it to break out above this, then it will go on full uptrend right from there. However, it is having a pullback at the moment. So once it is done with the pullback, that is if it does not go back to break out below this support zone. Okay, so if it is in between this region, then we are good to go. All we need is for it to go back right from here, I mean from the pullback, and cut across this, then this will give us more assurance that this is fully on uptrend. Okay, so wait for the pullback to be over. Once the pullback is over, then once you get buy signal, then you can jump into it and see how much profits you can make. Okay, so once you get a buy signal, which should happen around here, then you can jump into it. Then that should take you across this particular structure. So it's going to break that structure at that point, and that means it is going fully on uptrend. And if it is going fully up on uptrend, then we should see it getting to this region easily. So let's see how that is going to play out at the end of the day. Let's check out another asset. This is Ganex 999. Ganex 999 also on 15-minute time frame. This actually started a downtrend right from here. And you can see so till it got to this region. And of course, had a pullback and played around there for a while. But later on came back down to break out below the structure. Okay. Let me see. Okay, below the structure. Okay, it broke out at this point and got to a new a new low, and went back up again for a pullback and came back to break out below the structure at this point. Okay, this has actually confirmed to us that this is fully on uptrend at this point, and of course, it is still selling. Got to this region, and this is having a major pullback at the moment. But is it still going to go back on downtrend? Let's see what we are most likely to get from here. So if I should zoom it out a bit, and you're going to see that this is giving us more opportunity at this point. So I'm expecting to actually get to this region. Okay, so let me highlight that region so that we will know what we should be expecting. So I'm expecting to get to this region. So I want to believe that after this pullback, then it should sell again. Okay, it should sell again. So I'm expecting the pullback. If it does not break out above this particular spot, okay. Sorry. Let me try and highlight it very well so that we will know what we are doing here. Okay. So if it does not break out above this particular spot, then definitely this is going to sell. Okay, so but right now it is on pullback. Wait for the sell signal. Once you get the sell signal, then you can now come in because it is most likely to come down till it get to this region and even break out below it. Okay, so this is very, very important. I'm still saying this on downtrend. Okay, I'm still expecting it to sell more today. Okay, but just wait for the pullback to be over because this is a major pullback and it is because of the support region at this port. Okay, so that is why it is giving us this kind of pullback. Okay, so you guys should stay alert, keep an eye on it, and make sure you get the best out of it. Now let's check out other assets. This is Penex 1200. Yesterday, I told us that this is actually playing within this channel, the upper part of the channel and the lower part of the channel. And as at yesterday, it got to this region and it was selling. And I told us that it's going to sell till it gets to the lower part of the channel. Okay, and as you can see, it got there at this spot. Check it out. It got there, even though it had this pullback, but it later on got there. Okay, so that is it. And I told you if it does not break out below the lower part of the channel, then it's going to go up. Check it out. By this morning, we are seeing it at the top right here. So if it does not break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it will come down till it get to the lower part of the channel. But wait for the downtrend signal and also wait for the sell signal before you jump into it. But that is how it's going to work out. Okay, until there is a clear breakout. Okay, until there is a clear breakout. So next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Paynex 999 has been on uptrend, and I also told us this yesterday, even though it's tried to go back on downtrend, but got to this region and got to this particular spot, and of course broke out below it at this spot. And I don't know why it is now changing structure or having a market a structural market shift at this spot again. So this means that this is still trying to go back on uptrend. Having a pullback at the moment, the next move will let us know if it is truly still going back on uptrend. Okay, so if it breaks out above this region and even above this region, then it means that this is still fully on uptrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so now let's see this. Okay, this should be on 15-minute time frame. Let's say it's on 15 minutes first. I don't want us to go to 1 hour for now. As you can see, this had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, it had been on downtrend, but it's always having a major pullback. Just the way you are seeing this is a major pullback, and right there, it looks like it has gotten to a support zone, right? Okay, good. And of course, this is FX volume 80, guys. This is FX volume 80. But if you should notice, it broke out from this particular structure. Okay, it broke out from this particular structure. So this is actually giving us another lower high. Okay, so I mean, it is giving us another pullback at this point, and you can see it right from here. And of course, this has gotten to where it's going to get to. Okay, and of course it's going to sell right from there, and I am expecting it to break out below this low, the last low. Okay, I'm expecting it to break out below it. If that happens, then it means that this is still fully on downtrend. Okay, so that is it. That is what you should look out for. However, I am expecting it to sell right from here, okay, to this region, even if it's not going to break out below it, at least it should get to this region or closer to it, even if it's not going to break out below it. And let me prove this to you. I'm going to take it to H1 right now, and um, zoom it out a bit. Okay, so as you can see, we still have enough space for us to claim right here. So this is where we are actually trying to get to, somewhere here. Okay, that is if everything works out. So you can see that this is on downtrend at the moment. Check it out. Got to this low, when add this pullback, came back to this low, also add this pullback, and we add our market structural chain at this spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is a major pullback, and it will come down and break out below this and should be targeting this region. Can you see that this is a good one for us? Okay, so this is a good one for us. So this is the right time for you to jump into it right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.